of the video, we'll know ABOUT protein powder for beginners just starting their fitness journey. Protein powder can be a helpful supplement to support their goals, whether it's building muscle, improving recovery, or simply ensuring they're meeting their daily protein needs. Here's a guide on how beginners can effectively incorporate protein powder into their routine. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic. 1. Understand your goals. Before diving into protein supplementation, it's essential to identify your fitness goals. Are you looking to build muscle, lose weight, or improve overall health? Understanding your objectives will help you determine how protein powder fits into your plan. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. 2. Learn the basics of protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. It's made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. Most beginners should aim to consume around 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day, depending on their activity level and goals. 3. Choose the right type of protein. There are various types of protein powder available, including whey, casein, soy, pea, and hemp protein. Whey protein, derived from milk, is one of the most popular choices due to its high-quality protein content and rapid absorption rate. Casein protein digests more slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids over time. Plant-based options like pea or hemp protein are suitable for vegans or those with lactose intolerance. 4. Starts with a basic whey protein. For beginners, a simple whey protein powder is often the best choice. It's affordable, widely available, and easy to digest. Look for a product with minimal added ingredients and no artificial flavors or sweeteners. 5. Determine when to take protein. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, many beginners benefit from consuming protein powder post-workout when muscle protein synthesis is elevated. This can help kickstart the recovery process and promote muscle growth. However, protein powder can also be consumed at other times of the day, such as between meals or as a snack, to help meet daily protein requirements. 6. Experiment with flavors and recipes. Protein powder comes in a variety of flavors, including chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Experiment with different flavors to find one you enjoy. Additionally, try mixing protein powder into smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods for added variety and nutrition. 7. Read labels and dosages. Pay attention to the serving size and protein content listed on the product.